je crois qu'on va passer à présent aux remises des prix de la Fondation Louis Bonduelle avec... Alors, vous venez également.
So now I think we are about to pass on to the awards of the Louis Bonduelle Foundation. Marie-Joseph Amieux-Carlin and Daniel Vieillefort will give the awards of research, knowing that it was again hard to choose.
Bonjour à tous, mesdames et messieurs, monsieur le président. Donc c'est avec grand plaisir que nous allons
Hello, Mrs., hello, Mrs., hello, Mr. the President. It is with a great pleasure that we are about to give with Monsieur Daniel Vieillefort, President of the Bonduelle Group, the awards of the 2012 research of the Louis Bonduelle Foundation. I am very sensible to the actions of the Foundation on the field and, of course, to support for young researchers. As a president of a nutritional unit in Marseille, we have had a student who has received the year awards last year. So I have been solicited by the Foundation in order to evaluate the 2012 applications. As said Mr. Christophe Bonduelle, we have had 38 applications of projects regarding nutrition, feeding habits, but which appeals to different disciplines such as physiology, sociology and agronomy. I would like to underline 2 points. The first concerns the international dimension of this prize. 2/3 of the applications came from different European countries, such as Great Britain, Belgium or Italy. We have had also applications from Canada or Australia. The first point concerns the wide quality of the applications that we had to evaluate, and so the difficulty to choose among them. This is why we have again chosen this year to give 2 prizes. One of the points of the selection was the interdisciplinary collaboration offered in those projects. Those research awards were given this year to Nathalie Michels and Eloïse REMY.
Voilà, Nathalie Michels. Et peut-être que vous allez vous mettre là, ça sera peut-être plus simple. Donc tout d'abord, brièvement, Nathalie Michels, qui est en 3e année de thèse, qui est à l'université de Gand.
Natalie Michels is studying in the 1st year of thesis at the Ghent University. She has presented a brilliant file because she has already published 5 as a writer and co-writer. Her subject of research was the stress influence on feeding habits and the physical composition for children in primary school with a longitudinal research of 2 years. Her reference was Professor Stéphane de Hallo from the Public Health Department of the Ghent University. The application offered a collaboration between nutrition, psychology and endocrinology. The results of this study enables to widen the knowledge of stress within children's groups and enables to apprehend new factors about children's habits and to offer new actions of prevention in order to prevent child obesity. A big bravo to Nathalie Michels.
Un grand bravo donc à Nathalie Michels.
Un grand bravo, voilà.
Un prix bien mérité.
On peut dire un mot peut-être?
Oui.
An award well deserved. A little word, maybe?
I very much would like to thank the organization to help young researchers, because it's difficult for researchers to have some money for the research. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
Donc on aura l'occasion d'écouter tous les résultats dans 2 ans. Et Nathalie soutient sa thèse donc en octobre 2013.
We'll be able to listen to these results in 2 years. Natalie is presenting her thesis in October 2013. The second nominee is Eloïse REMY, who is in second year of thesis at Bourgogne University. She has 2 thesis references, Mesdames Sylvie Franchou and Sophie Niclos, who are working at the National Institution of Agronomic Research at Dijon, and more specifically at the Taste and Alimentation Science Center managed by Luc Pénicaud, that many of us know. The topic of research of Eloïse REMY is the study of factors which influence the feeding process and its regulation for children. This subject is complex because it takes into account many different factors in the preferences and feeding habits, and those at different periods of childhood. There are individual factors, age, physical abilities, factors related to food itself, and its sensitive characteristics, and especially environmental factors, the backgrounds of parents, feeding habits in households. What is special about this project is the integrated approach which contributes to the project originality of research. This is why we are giving away today these awards of the Louis Bonduelle Foundation. A big bravo to Eloïse REMY of Dijon. Here's some motivation to carry on your studies.
Voilà de quoi continuer et conclure cette étude. Alors, un petit mot.
Maybe would you like to add little words, Eloïse? I would like to thank the Louis Bonduelle Foundation for this research award, which will help me to keep going on my researches from a financial point of view, and for the interest and recognition of scientists that have carried out my research subjects. I will be very thrilled to come back in 2 years in order to present the results. We will be very pleased because we are really interested about it. Again, a big bravo for the 2 nominees of this year, because once again the choice was tough. We would like to add that this is not a division of the awards, but surely a